Hello everyone, let's start with practice set 1.2 for linear equation in two variables. Here the first question is complete the following table to draw graph of the equations, where we have two simple equations given here, x plus y is equal to 3. Second one is x minus y is equal to 4. Also we have the table format given where value of x is 3. We need to find y is equal to how much, and x and y is 3 comma 0. We also need to find out value of x in second row, in second column, where value of y is given and x comma y we need to find it out. In third column we need to find out x where value of y is already given and x comma y is 0 comma 3. So from the first scenario in this table, x comma y is 3 comma 0. First scenario, x comma y is equal to 3 comma 0. That means x is equal to 3, that is x is equal to 3, which is already given. Therefore y is equal to 0. Right, 3 is this and y is this, where x plus y the total is 3. Therefore if we add 3 and 0, we will get answer as 3. Now we will substitute y is equal to 5 in first equation, that is x plus y is equal to 3. This is the first equation. From here y is equal to 5, we will substitute y is equal to 5 in given equation x plus y is equal to 3. Why we will take y as 5? Because from the second scenario x is nothing, it is blank. We need to find out value of x, and y is 5. When y is 5, therefore x plus value of y is 5 is equal to 3. Therefore x is equal to 3. This plus 5 will go on the right hand side, it will be minus 5, and we will get x is equal to minus 2. So here in the first scenario we got x comma y is 3 comma 0, where value of y is 0, and here x comma y is minus 2 comma 5. We were able to find out value of y in first scenario. We were able to find out value of x in second scenario. Now we will need to find out value of x in third scenario. In third scenario, x comma y, this is x comma y is equal to 0 comma 3. X comma y is already given as 0 comma 3, which means value of x is this 0 and value of y is this 3. So in this table x will be 0 and y will be 3. Let's move on to second equation, x minus y is equal to 4. We need to find out value of x in first scenario. We need to find out value of y in second scenario. Let's start with this. From the first scenario, x comma y, what is given is we have the value of 0 over here. Okay, y is equal to 0 is given. Substitute or put value of y, put y is equal to 0 in given equation. So x minus y is equal to 4. X minus y, y is 0, x minus 0 is equal to 4. So here we will get x is equal to 4. That means answer is x is equal to 4, x comma y is 4 comma 0. In second scenario, value of x is given as minus 1. We need to find out value of y. So as x is already given, we will put x value of x in given equation. This was the first scenario. Second scenario, x is equal to minus 1, which is already given. We will put x is equal to 1, x is equal to minus 1 in given equation. Therefore x minus y is equal to 4. X is minus 1 minus y is equal to 4 minus y is equal to 4. This minus 1 will come on the right hand side. It will become plus 1. Therefore minus y is equal to 5, which means y is equal to minus 5. So value of y is minus 5. Here x comma y is minus 1 comma minus 5. In the third scenario, we also have x and we also have y already given. So x comma y is 0 comma minus 4. Moving on to second question of exercise 1.2. Solve the following simultaneous equations graphically. Here we need to get at least 4 points of x and 4 points of y in the given equations so that we can place it on graph. Also a small tip here, you can practice the given textbook questions 2 to 3 times in a book and it will make you easier to solve similar questions in exam. Let's start with the exercise. The first equation given is x plus y is equal to 6. Here we need to find out all possible ways where x plus y is equal to 6. That is, we need to get two numbers, that is one for x and one for y, and addition of both the numbers should give us 6. So the equation, first equation, x plus y is equal to 6, and we can take any two numbers. For example, we can take x as 0 and y as 6. On addition of 6, we can get number 6. Yeah, so this can be one of the two numbers that we can take for x and y, where addition we will get as number 6. Okay, moving on to second, what are the other possible ways? That is, even 2 plus 4 can give us 6. So we can take 2 plus 4 as well, 0 plus 6 here, where x is 0 and y is 6. Second number, x is 2, y is 4. Addition will give us 6. Another possible way is 3 plus 3 is also 6, where x is 3 and y is 3, and addition gives us 6. Another possible way, 4 plus 2 will also give us 6. So x is 4 and y is 2. Addition will give us 6. This was for equation number 1. Okay, first equation. Now moving on to second equation where x minus y is equal to 4. We need to find out numbers. On subtraction, we need to get number as 4. So what are the possible ways of getting 4? We need to take such numbers where subtraction will give us 4. So x can also be, in this case, we can take numbers such as 1. If we take x as 1 minus 3 is equal to 4. That is 1, and this plus minus into minus is plus, 3 is equal to 4. Therefore, the numbers that we can take is 1 comma minus 3, where x is 1, y is minus 3, 1 comma minus 3. We have got only 1 point for x and 1 point for y in second equation. We need to get more 4 points. So other possible ways, if we take 4 as x minus 0 will give us 4. 4 minus 0 is 4. So we can take 4 comma 0 where x is 4 and y is 0. We can take x minus y is equal to 4. Possible ways, 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Here 1 point is 5 and 1. It is 5 comma 1 where x is 5 and y is 1. In same case, we can also take 0 minus 4 is equal to 4, which means 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. So we can take x as 0 and minus 4 as y. The points are 0 comma minus 4. If we represent that on a graph, on x coordinate and y coordinate, let's see the graph. This is the graph. If you see, we will point the graph here on x coordinate. First we will see 0 comma 6. 0 comma 6 is here. We will point out here on graph. Now the second one is 2 comma 4. We will point 2 comma 4 on the graph. Next one is 3 comma 3. We will point 3 comma 3. Another one 4 comma 2. Here it is 4 comma 2. And let's check for this one, for this equation, 1 comma minus 3. 1 comma minus 3 is here. Whenever there is a minus sign, the point will come downwards. Okay, will come down. Next one 4 comma 0. Here it is 4 comma 0. 5 comma 1. 5 comma 1 is here. And 0 comma minus 4. 0 comma minus 4 is here. So as we have the points here, we will draw one line joining these points on x coordinate and y coordinate. This is as these points are from the single equation x plus y is equal to 6. Here we got one line, and for x minus y is equal to 4, we will make a line over here on the graph. So the point of intersection is this 5 comma 1. So as the coordinates of point of intersection is 5 comma 1, the solution is x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 1. Moving on to second question, where we have two equations already given. First equation, x plus y is equal to 5. First equation is x plus y is equal to 5. We need to find out numbers where on addition we should get number as 5. So the possible ways are 0 plus 5 can also be written as 5. 3 plus 2 can also be written as 5. 4 plus 1 can also be written as 5. And 5 plus 0 can be written as 5. So on addition of these numbers, as it is x plus y, we are getting 5. First points are 0 and 5, where x is 0 and y is 5. Second is 3 plus 2, x is 3 and y is 2. Third is 4 plus 1, x is 4 and y is 1. Fourth is 5 and 0, x is 5 and y is 0. Taking second equation, x minus y is equal to 3. On subtraction, we need to get a number as 3. So the possible ways are, if we take x is equal to 1, 1 plus 2 we get 3, but this can be, but here it is minus sign. So 1 minus, this can be written as minus 2 is equal to 3, which means 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So x will be 1 and y will be minus 2. Here the points are 1 comma minus 2. We need to find out rest numbers, like if we take x as 2 plus 1 can also be written as 3. So 2, here we need minus sign, minus 1 can give us 3. That is 2 comma minus 1 is 3, where x is 2 and y is minus 1. On subtraction, we will get number 3. Again, we need to find out third point. 3 comma 0, if we take, we will get number as 3. So we don't need to make any changes in the signature here. X is 3 and y is 0. We will get 3 comma 0. And on subtraction, we should get on subtraction we should get number 3. We can write 5 minus 2 is equal to 3, where x is 5 and y is 2. 5 comma 2. On subtraction, we get number as 3. Placing this on a graph, first one is 0 comma 5. Place this numbers on the graph. 0 comma 5. Here it is. Second is 3 comma 2 and 4 comma 1. 3 comma 2 is here. 4 comma 1 is here. And 5 comma 0 is here. 1 comma minus 2, 2 comma minus 1. 1 comma minus 2. This is 1. And this is minus 2. And 2 comma minus 1 plus 2 and minus 1. 3 comma 0, 5 comma 2. 3 comma 0 and 5 comma 2. So for this equation, we will draw a line x minus y is equal to 3, and for this one x plus y is equal to 5. Here the coordinates of point of intersection are 4 comma 1, where the lines meet at a single point 4 comma 1. So the solution is x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 1. Moving on to next question, where we have two equations given, x plus y is equal to 0, 2x minus y is equal to 9. From the first equation, x plus y is equal to 0, we need to find out possible numbers where on addition we should get as number 0. So the possible ways are minus 2 plus 2 will give us 0. 0 plus 0 will also give us 0. 2 plus minus 2, that is 2 plus into minus is minus 2 is equal to 0. And 5 plus minus 5 similarly is equal to 0. That is 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, numbers -2 and +2, where x is -2 and y is 2. 0, 0, 0, comma 0, 2, -2, 0, 5, comma -5. Now taking second equation, 2x minus y is equal to 9. To find out the possible ways of getting 2 into x minus y is equal to 9, in such cases, you do not need to get scared with such equations like how to search for the numbers. It is very easy. Let's go through below explanation. Here, the equation is 2x minus y is equal to 9, where if we take x as 0 and y as minus 9, here 2 into 0 is 0. This minus into minus is plus, 9 is equal to 9. So, here what we took, x as 0 and y as minus 9. Okay. So, x as 0 and y as minus 9, 0, comma, minus 9. Second, again take the equation 2x minus y is equal to 9. 9 can be written in multiple form. 9 can also be written as 8 plus 1. Here 9 can also be written as 8 plus 1. 8 can also be written as 2 into 4 plus 1 is equal to 8 plus 1, which means if we take 2 into 4, this is minus, and this plus can also be written in the form of minus minus 1 is equal to 9. That is 2 into 4 is 8, minus into minus is plus, 1 is equal to 9, which means x we have taken 4, x as 4 and y as minus 1. X as 4 and y as minus 1. 4, comma, minus 1. Third, 2x minus y is equal to 9. Possible ways, 2 into 5 minus 1 is equal to 9. That is 10 minus 1 is 9. 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Yeah, so the numbers we can take this x as 5 and y as 1. 5, comma 1. Number 4, 2x minus y is equal to 9. That is 6 minus 3 is also 9. So 2, 6 can, 12 minus 3 is also 9. 12 can be written as 2 into 6 minus 3 is equal to 9. Therefore 12 minus 3 is equal to 9, which means x can also be taken as 6 and y can also be taken as 3. That is 6 comma 3. Placing all these points on the graph, 2, minus 2 comma 2, here is minus 2 comma 2, 0 comma 0, 2 comma minus 2 and 5 comma minus 5. 2 comma minus 2 and 5 comma minus 5. Placing the taking another points from second equation, 0 comma minus 9, 0 comma minus 9, 4 comma minus 1, 5 comma 1, 6 comma 3. Draw lines for both the equations. This is for x plus y is equal to 0 and this is for 2x minus y is equal to 9. Here the point of intersection is 3 comma minus 3. So the solution is x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 3. So let's move on to next question, where we have already given two equations, 3x minus y is equal to 2 and 2x minus y is equal to 3. So in first equation, first one is 3x minus y is equal to 2. Here we need to get 4 points for x and 4 points for y, where after solving the equation, after putting the values of x and y, we should get total as 2. So let's take our first possible points. If we take 2 and the total should come as 2. How can we write this 2 further? This 2 we can write further as 5 minus 3 is equal to 2, where this can all further be written as minus 3 plus 5 is equal to 2. Writing these 2 points in equation form, minus 3 into 1, this 3 can be written into 3 into minus 1 will give us minus 3. plus 5 can be written as minus into minus 5 is equal to 2, where this minus 1 is x and this minus 5 is y. Okay. So if we substitute this, x can be written as minus 1. This is one point we got, and y can be written as minus 5. This is the second point. So minus 1 comma minus 5. We got one point for x and y each. Now let's try to get remaining 3 points for x and 3 points for y. Write down the equation 3x minus y is equal to 2. Possible points, if we take 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. This 0 plus 2 can also be written as 3 into 0, which is 0. This plus 2 can also be written as minus into minus 2. Why we are taking y minus? Because here in equation we have minus sign is equal to 2. If we solve this, we will get the answer as 2. 3 into 0 is 0. Minus into minus plus 0 plus 2 is 2. Therefore, here x is 0 and y is minus 2. So we got another point, x is 0 and y is minus 2. 0 comma minus 2. Let's get remaining 2 points for this equation. 3x minus y is equal to 2. Possible, if we take how we will get 2, the possible points, 3 minus 1 is also 2. How can we write this 3 minus 1 in equation form? 3 into 1 is 3. This minus 1, how can we write? Minus 1 is nothing but this will remain the same because we already have minus in equation is equal to 2, where we have x as 1 and y as 1. Here y will be 1, not minus 1, because this minus sign is the equation form, not from the minus 1 form. So x is 1 and y is 1. 1 comma 1 is another point that we got. Let's try getting another point for this equation. 3x minus y is equal to 2. Possible points, how can we get 2 from the numbers? That is, we can check for 6 minus 4, we get 2. How can we write the 6 minus 4 in equation form? 3 into 2 is 6. This minus 4 is equal to 2, where x will be 2 and y will be 4. So we got this point 2 comma 4, 2 comma 4. Moving on to second equation from this question. Second equation is 2x minus y is equal to 3. We will write down the equation here. 2x minus y is equal to 3. Here we need to get total as 3 after solving the equation by putting the values of x and y. So we can try possible numbers. Let's take 0 plus 3. We get 3. How can we write this 0 plus 3 in equation form to get value of x and y? So we can write this 2 into 0. 0 we get. This plus sign will come down. Plus 3 is equal to 3. 0 plus 3 is 3, but in equation we have minus sign. So write this plus sign in with using minus sign. So 2 into 0, this plus will become minus into minus 3 is equal to 3. So here x is 0 and y is minus 3. We got 1 point over here. We need to find next 3 points for x and y. Writing down the equation 2x minus y is equal to 3. Possible points, how can we get 3? 4 minus 1 is also 3. Let's write down this 4 minus 1 in equation form. 4 can be written as 2 into 2, and this 22 is 4 minus 1. We need here minus 1 is equal to 3, which means x is 2 and y is 1. Y will be positive here because this minus sign, we are considering this in the equation form. So next point is 2 and 1, where x is 2 and y is 1. We need to find more 2 points for this equation. 2x minus y is equal to 3. Let's write down the possible points. We can also write 6 minus 3 is equal to 3, where writing down 6 minus 3 in equation form is this 2 into 3 will give us 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. That is 6 minus 3 is 3, where x is 3 and y is 3. So the point is 3 comma 3. One more point is remaining. 2x minus y is equal to 3. Possible points, if we write down 8 minus 5 is also 3, where solving this or writing this in equation form, 2 into 4 will give us 8, and this minus 5 is equal to 3, which means we will get x as 4 and y as 5. X as 4 and y as 5. Here 4 comma 5. Now we need to place these points on the graph. So coming to the first equation, 3x minus y is equal to 2. Let's place these points on the graph. Okay, x is minus 1, y is minus 5. So here x is minus 1. If x is minus 1, we need to point it here. X on x line, here it is minus 1, and y is minus 5. Here is 1 minus 1, and here is minus 5. Pointing this on the graph. Now, another point for x and y from first equation 0, comma minus 2. On x it is 0 and y is minus 2. So here is another point. On y, taking third point 1, comma 1. X is 1 and y is also 1. On x it is 1 and y it is 1. Both are positive, so it is here. X is 1 and y is 1. This is 1, comma 1. Taking fourth point 2, comma 4. X is 2 and y is 4. So on x it is 2 and on y it is 4. Here it is 2 and here it is 4. Both the point here. Drawing a line going through these points of first equation, which is 3x minus y is equal to 2. Now we will take another equation and plot these points on the graph. For second equation, 0, comma minus 3. X is 0 and y is minus 3. X is 0 and y is minus 3, so the point is here. Second point 2, comma 1. Here 2, comma 1, both are positive. 3, comma 3. Even here both are 3. X is 3 and y is 3. Next point is 4, comma 5. Here x is 4 and y is 5. We will draw a single line through these points for equation 2x minus y is equal to 3. Here, when we draw these two lines, these lines meet at a single point, which is minus 1, comma minus 5. So the coordinates of point of intersection are minus 1 and minus 5. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to minus 5 is the solution. Okay, so let's start with fifth question. We have two equations given. Let us write down first equation here, 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 7. Even here we need to get 4 points for x and 4 points for y. So as the equation is 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 7, we need to get such points for x and y where after substituting these values in this equation, we should get total as minus 7. Okay, so how can we write this minus 7 further? If we take minus 3 and minus 4, it is nothing but equal to minus 7. How to write this minus 3 and minus 4 in the form of equation? So here it is 3, we will take 3 outside, and if here it is 3, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Write down this minus sign. Write down 4 in the form of 4y. It is 4 into 1 will be 4 is equal to minus 7. After solving this, we will get total as minus 7. So here x is nothing but minus 1, y is 1. So x comma y is minus 1 comma 1. Searching for another point, write down the equation. 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 7. We need to get such points where after solving this, we need to get answer as minus 7. So how can we write this minus 7 in the form of this equation? We need to get the points first. If we take 10 minus 3, we will get positive 7, but we need minus 7. So if we take minus 10 and plus 3, minus into plus is minus, 10 minus 3 is 7, and sign of the bigger number, it will be minus 7. So this is the correct one. We can also write this in the form of 3 minus 10 is equal to 7. Now writing this in the form of equation, 3 into 1 is 3, this minus sign, 4, this 4 will come here, and into 4 into how much will be 10? 4 into 2.5 will be 10 is equal to minus 7. After solving this, we will get total as minus 7. So here x is 1, y is 2.5. The point is 1 comma 2.5. We need to get more 2 points for x and y. First we will write down the equation. To get this as minus 7, we will first search for the points. We can also write this in the form of points. If we say 16 minus 9, we get a 7, but we will not get this minus sign here if it is not minus, if the bigger number is not, if the bigger number do not have minus sign. So we can also write it in the form of minus 16 plus 9. So we will get here minus 7. So this is nothing but 9 minus 16 will give us minus 7. So if we write this in the form of equation, it will be this 3 into 3 will give us 9 minus this 4, and 4 into 4 will give us 16. On solving this, we will get answer as minus 7. So x is nothing but 3, y is 4. So the point is 3 comma 4. Last point that we need to search for this equation, 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 7. On solving this, we should get as minus 7. To search for points, if we take 22 minus 15, if we say, we will get as positive 7, but we need minus 7 here. So let's make this 22 as minus 22 and plus 15. This will give us minus 7. Why? Because plus into minus is minus, 22 minus 15 is 7. Sign of the bigger number minus is minus 7. So this can also be written 15 minus 22 is equal to minus 7. Why? Because 15 comes in table of 3. That is the reason I have taken 15 first. 3 into 5 is 15. This minus 4 will come here. And how much will give us 22? 22 doesn't come in table of 4. But if we multiply 4 into 5.5, we will get 22. And on solving this, we will get total as minus 7. So x is 5 and y is 5.5. So the point is 5, 5.5. As we got the points for this equation, for the first equation, we will now search 4 points for another equation, which is 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. We will write down the second equation. For this equation, we are going to search 4 points for x and 4 points for y. So let's check for first points of x and y. Even here in equation, there is a minus sign, but total is 0. We need to get total as 0. So if we say any number, let's take any number, say minus 10 plus 10 will give us 0. Writing down in the form of equation, because this 10 comes in table of 5 and even in table of 2. So if we take this 5 from the equation, 5 into minus 2 will give us minus 10. Okay, this is the plus sign here. So minus here in equation is minus and this is the positive 10. So from the equation minus 2 and minus into minus will give us plus 10. So 2 minus 2 into minus 5 will give us plus 10. That means x is minus 2 and y is minus 5. We got 2 points, 1 point for x and 1 point for y. Minus 2 comma minus 5. We got only 1 point here. Now we need to find rest 3 points for x and y each. First we will write down equation now. 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. We can also say this total we should get as 0. This 0 can be written as 0 minus 0. How to write the 0 minus 0 in the form of equation? 5 into 0 will give us 0 minus 2 into 0 will give us 0. So here are 2 points, x is 0 and y is 0. 0 comma 0. Okay, this is very easy. Let's try searching for third point. We can take any number, let's say 5 minus 5 is also 0. How to write this in the form of equation? 5 into 1 will give us 5. Take this minus 2 from equation. Minus 2 into how much will give us 5. Minus 2 into 2.5 will give us 5. So here x is 1 and y is 2.5. 1 comma 2.5. Last point to search for this equation. 10 minus 10 is also 0. Here we had minus 10 plus 10. Here we have plus 10 and minus 10. So writing this in the form of equation, 5 into 2 is 10. This minus 2 from equation is here. Minus 2 into 5 is equal to 10. So here x is 2 and y is 5. Point is 2 comma 5. Now we will place both the points on the graph, both the points from both the equation on the graph. So from first equation, the point is minus 1 comma 1. Let's place this on the graph, minus 1 on x here and 1 on y here. Second point from first equation, 1 comma 2.5. 1 on x, 2 comma 5, 2.5 on y. Third point, 3 comma 4, 3 on x and 4 on y. Fourth point, 5 comma 5.5, 5 on x and 5.5 on y. So let's draw this, join these lines and draw one line. For the equation, it is 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 7. Now we will place the points from equation 2 on the graph. Equation 2 is 5x minus 2y. First point is minus 2 comma minus 5. So minus 2 on x is here and minus 5 on y. So minus 2 is here and minus 5 on y. This is the first point. Second point, 0 comma 0, which is here. Third point, 1 comma 2.5, 1 year, y 2.5 year. 2 comma 5, 2 year and 5 year. Okay, let's draw a line. This is for equation 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. Here both the lines are meeting on a single point, 1 comma 2.5. Okay, so the point of intersection is 1 comma 2.5. Both the lines are meeting on a single point, so the solution is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2.5. Moving on to next question. Two equations are already given and we need to find 4 points of each equations. Writing down first equation now, and on solving this equation we need to get total as 4. How can we write total as 4? In the form of points or numbers. That is 6 minus 2, we get 4. Okay, but here if you see 6 comes in table of 3 and 2 comes in table of 2. So let's interchange this. Minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 4. So writing this in the form of equation, 2 from the equation and minus 1. 2 into minus 1 will give us minus 1. Minus 3 from the equation, take minus 3 from equation, but here it is plus 6. So how we will write this 6 in the form of equation? Minus into minus will give us plus, 3 into 2 will give us 6. So on solving this, we get total as 4. Here x is minus 1, y is minus 2, x comma y is minus 1 comma minus 2. First point, we got first point. So let's search for second point now. 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. As we need to get this total as 4, the possible ways are, we can also write this 4 in the form of 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. How to write down this in the form of equation? 2 from the equation, take 2 from the equation. 2 into 2 will give us 4. Take this minus sign, minus 3 from the equation, and we here need 0. Here it is 0. So if we multiply, minus 3 into 0 will give us 0. And on solving this, we will get total as 4. So the next point will be x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 0. More 2 points we need for this equation. On solving this, we need to get total as 4. How can we write this number as number 4 further? We can say 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Why I have taken this? Because 10 is the multiple of 2 and 6 is the multiple of 3. Okay, so this can be further written in the form of this equation. Taking 2 from the equation, 2 into 5 will give us 10. Minus 3, take minus 3 from equation, and we need to get here as 6, and here it is minus sign. How we will get here minus sign? Minus into plus will give us minus. 3 into 2 will give us 6. Okay, so the points are 5 comma 2. X is 5 and y is 2. 5 comma 2. We need to get one more point for this equation. 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Total should be 4. How to write this 4 further? Let's take this 16 minus 12 is equal to 4. Why 16 minus 12? Because 16 is multiple of 2 and 12 is multiple of 3. So take 2 from the equation. 2 into 8 is 16. Here take minus 3 from equation, minus 3. Here it is minus sign. Minus 12 it is. So 3 into 6 is 12 and minus into plus is minus. So the last point is 8 comma. So here it is 3 comma 4. 3 into 4 will give us 12. So 8 comma 4 is the next point. As we got all 4 points of this equation, we will need to find 4 points for this equation. 3y minus x is equal to 4. 3y minus x is equal to 4. On solving this, we need to get total as 4. How to write this number now? We can also write it as 0 plus 4 will give us 4. If you see here, y is first in the equation and x is next. Okay, so here this, if we write in the form of equation, take 3 from equation. 3 into 0 will give us 0. Take minus x. Here it is minus x. That means number is 1. Okay, 1 into minus 4 will give us plus 1. Why we have taken minus 4? Because minus into minus will give us plus, and 1 into 4 will give us 4. Okay, if you solve this equation, you will get total as plus 4. So the point is y is 0. Here y is 0 because y, 3 into y Okay, 3 and y comes first in the equation. So y is 0 and x is minus 4. Point is minus 4 comma 0. Searching for another point for this equation, 3y minus x is equal to 4. So here total we need to get as 4. We can also write 4 as 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. How to write this in the form of equation? 3 from equation, take 3 from equation. 3 into 1 will give us 3. This is plus sign. In here it is 3 plus 1 and in equation we have minus. It is minus 1 here. So take minus 1 from the equation. Minus 1 into how much will give us plus 1? Minus 1 into minus 1 will give us plus 1. Minus into minus is plus. 1 into 1 is 1. Okay, on solving this we will get answer as 4. So x is minus 1, y is 1. Point is minus 1 comma 1. Searching for the third point for this equation. How to write this number 4 further? 6 minus 2 is also 4. Writing this in the form of equation, 3 from the equation. 3 into 2 will give us 6 and minus 1 from the equation, minus 1. How to get this minus 2 here? Minus 1 into minus 2 will give us minus 2 will give us plus 2, but we need minus sign here. Okay, so it is minus 1 into plus 2 will give us minus 2. 1 into 2 is 2, minus into plus is minus, is equal to 4. So the point is x is 2 and y is 2, 2 comma 2. Searching for the last point of this equation, we should get this total as 4 after solving. And how to write this 4? 9 minus 5 will give us 4. How to write this in the form of equation? 3 from equation. 3 into 3 will give us 9. Minus 1 from here. And here it is 5. So minus into plus is minus. Okay. 1 into 5 is 5. Minus into plus is minus. Is equal to 4. So the point is 3 as y and 5 as x. 5 comma 3. Now we will place these points of both the equation on the graph. So from the first equation, minus 1 and minus 2 is the first point. Placing this on the graph, minus 1 and minus 2. On x, minus 1 is here. On y, minus 2 is here. Second point, 2 comma 0. X is 2 and y is 0. Here is the second point. Third point, 5 comma 2. X is 5, y is 2. Third point, 8 comma 4. 8 on x and 4 on y. Draw a line for this equation. 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. As 4 points from this equation is plotted and we have drawn a line, we will take points from the second equation now. 3y minus x is equal to 4. The first point is minus 4 and 0. Minus 4 on x and 0 on y. This is here. Second point, minus 1 comma 1. Minus 1 and 1. This is the second point. Third point, 2 comma 2. It is here. Fourth point, 5 comma 3. Draw a line for this equation. 3y minus x is equal to 4. And both the lines are meeting at a single point, 8 comma 4, which means the point of intersection is 8.4. Therefore, the solution is x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 4.